Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. I have developed a Google Search Scraper within Google Sheets. There are another video on the same topic on the same channel, but in this video I am using another approach and scraping only first three pages, and I am trying to outreach for the listicles and analyze the URLs and titles and descriptions. So for this purpose, I am using the sheet. You can get the sheet link from the description. Go to file and make a copy for yourself. Then go to the Google search, click on fetch search results. It will ask you for the keywords, type the keyword, for example, best PR agencies in London, and click on OK. Here you have the first 30 results from the Google search. These are the pure organic results. In the next column, I am analyzing the URL, if it is listicle or not. So for this purpose, I will use the is equal to GPT function. And before using the GPT function, make sure you have properly installed the GPT for Sheets. This one, GPT for Sheets. Click on Open. So after this, I will use the GPT function and bracket stop, inverted commas, and in the inverted commas write read the URL and analyze if it's a listicle or not. Then colon, after inverted comma add a single comma, and then select the cell. For example, in my case it's A1. Then close the bracket, press enter. So here you can see the URL appears to be a listicle. So I need only the simple answer and write to read the URL, analyze if listicle or not, backtick yes or no, nothing else. Okay, the top P agencies in London and the UK. Okay, it's getting something wrong. Read the URL and analyze if it's a listicle or not. Let's change the approach. Okay, it's getting right now. Drag this at the bottom. You can see here it's getting the results. So this one is CC Group Technology PR Agency London. It's not the listicle, that's why it's no. And one thing more here, Milk and Honey, it's not a listicle, it's only about one company. So it's also no. So it's a simple process, and the sheet link is in the description, and tap the like button. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.